Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share my Boxycharm for June. I know it's very popular subscription box, and I resubscribed this subscription box because I love this box. And I have two more boxes before this month, and I shoot the video and something happened in my video, so I cannot upload that video, but I try my level best that I will share that two boxes which comes in the same month, that is for April and May. And that boxes, I really love these that boxes. If you are following on my Instagram, you know that I love both the boxes, and I tried several different looks with these boxes, in which color pop palette are there and lots of stuffs are there. But today I am only talk about my June box. This is my whole June box items, and Boxycharm is a subscription box in which you received high-end brands in a very good price every month. And this is monthly subscription. So and the theme of this Boxycharm is Caribbean Queen. Can you see that? Yes. And it comes, I like all boxes items so much, but I want to share these lashes with you. See, I didn't try it yet, but it looks really beautiful lashes, and it cost $28, and it is from Battington. I think it's Battington, if I pronounce it wrong way, I don't know. And the other which I really excited for, it's Ofra lipstick, and it's Ofra is long lasting liquid lipstick, and it is for $21, and they says it's Raina's favorite lipstick, and the color which I received is Verona. This is very beautiful shade. See, can you see the shade? This shade is really beautiful, and I like these kind of shades so much, and I use it on regular basis. And another is a jaunt blue. It's an eyeliner pencil in dark brown. And before that I have the lip liner of jaunt blue. See, it's very dark color. Can you see that? The down one, it's very dark shade. I tried on my eyes, but it's very harsh, and it's very it is not a creamy product, and I don't like this Jaunt blue eyeliner, but their lip pencils are very good. I received that pencil in different subscription. I think it's a glossy box or something, I don't know, I don't remember actually. And another thing which I really excited for, it's a Brazilian bomb cream, and everyone talks about it. It's a sample size, it's not the full size, and it is $10, and I think it's a deluxe sample, I think. Yeah, it's 25 ml, and the smell is really yum, but you cannot eat it. It smells like cream when you bake your cake and start icing, that kind of smell. I know, but it's very, very good. And the brushes, in which it's a Luxie brushes, but I don't know why they do like this with this. See the shape of my brush. When I saw this brush, I remember when I was a child, I used to watch it's a Fragile Rock, I think it's a cartoon film, and the hair of that cartoon is like that. What do you think? And these brushes are really soft, and I want to use it, but I have no idea what to do with this brush to change his shape like that. If you have any kind of idea, let me know. And the final star of this box, it's Aluminium palette. See, Aluminium palette is Kathleen light favorite, and it says it's $28. The colors are very nice in this palette. See, the colors are very, very nice, and 4 colors are matte and 4 colors are shimmery plus glittery colors, and you can do several looks with that. And I tried it, I think 2 looks with that. I like this box, and everybody likes this month box so much, which have that subscription. So that's all my Boxycharm of this month. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel, and please comment in the comment section if you like, if you have any suggestion, and if you have something to convey your message or something like that. So keep watching till my next video. Bye.